Hi,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine.
Please introduce yourself.
My name is Cecil C. Evelani, 25 years old. I'm single parent and I'm a graduate of secondary education. My father's name is Cesar Evelani, 62 years old. My mother's name is Spineda Corpin, 52 years old. And I have three sisters and I am the eldest.
Have you worked abroad before?
No,
Being a domestic helper, how will you look after your employer's children?
I will take care of them like they were my own child. I will attend them to their needs.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a domestic helper?
Ironing clothes and especially taking care of my employer's children.
Tell me more about your cooking experience.
I can do simple dishes like fried, adobo, and sinigang, but I'm willing to learn Chinese cooking.
Do you have any day off?
Yes, at least once a week, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese or Mandarin?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you have your own room?
Yes, but I'm willing to share room with your children if needed.
What can you promise to your future employer?
Sir, madam, I promise to do everything that is needed to do inside the house. I will take care of your children like they are my own children. I also promise to finish my 2-year contract.
Can you give your best smile to your employer?